how to wake up with Spotify music. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process in order to do so. So it is pretty easy. All you gotta do is in your devices, apps, look for the alarm or the clock app directly, tap on it, and you can go on with the process of setting an alarm. For that, you can tap on the plus icon at the top, and once you tap on it, you can set up the time for the alarm, your name for the alarm, and once you do so, you will be given these options. Now, in order to set up from Spotify, you can look out for alarm sound. If this option is not turned on yet, you can turn it on. After that, you can tap on it, and when you do, it will give you two options to set an alarm. So one is Spotify, another one is ringtone. Since we are looking for Spotify, tap on Spotify, and when you do, it will show you a bunch of options, so you can basically look out for your albums available here, or you can even search for it. And once you do so, for example, I would like to do this one right here, you can just go ahead and set it up in that way. You can set that particular alarm and set up a wake up alarm for yourself in Spotify. So this is how you do it. I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.